Hello, we've got this particular question that is falling under calculus, where we are told to find the equation of the tangent. The question is, given that y is equal to 3x cubed minus 2x squared minus x minus 1, find the equation of the tangent where x is equal to 1. So whenever you are told to find the equation of the tangent, the first thing that you need to do is to differentiate the given function. This function that you are given, you need to differentiate it. So you say dy dx is equal to, how do we differentiate? You are multiplying 3 times 3, that is 9x, then 3 you say minus 1. We continue, 2 times 2, that is 4. So minus 4, I've got x, 2 minus 1. Then this part here, there is a 1 there. 1 times the coefficient which is 1 there, nothing will change. So it's x, 1 minus 1. This is what I'm going to have. Then finally, I say dy dx is equal to 9x, 3 minus 1, that is a 2, minus 4x minus, then you know that that is x power 0. You know that any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So here just same as there is what? 1. Maybe you are asking yourself that, why did I leave out a 1 there when I was working out this part? Under differentiation, you don't differentiate a constant number. So you cannot differentiate a number like 2. You cannot differentiate a number like 3. You can only differentiate 2x. We can only differentiate 4x to the power 3, numbers like this. But a constant number cannot be differentiated. So after you differentiate, this thing that you've come up with, this whole thing here, is called a gradient function. So some questions, they will tell you to find the gradient function. This part here is called the gradient function. We get to call it as the what? Gradient function. This is the gradient function that we found. Then you know this is dy dx. You say, since it is the gradient function, we are going to say that m is equal to, then where there is x here, I'm going to put a value that is given in the question. X is equal to 1. Where there is x, I put 1. So this is 9, 1 squared minus 4, 1 minus 1, like this. Where gradient will be equal to, so what is the gradient there? You are going to get a what? You are going to get a 4 as your answer if you find the gradient there. This is 9 minus 4. It is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So this is your gradient. So we found the gradient. We need to come up with a coordinate. We are only given the value of x, which is 1. What about the value of y? So the value of y is found by getting the original equation. So you need to get the original equation. So I can love this part. You get the original equation. Where is the original equation? It is there. Y is equal to 3x3 minus 2x squared minus x minus 1. Where there is x, you put what? You put 1. So that you find the value of y. So this is equal to 3, 1, 3 there, minus 2, 1 there, squared, minus 1, minus 1. This is y is equal to, this is 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. This is what we are actually doing. So what is your answer here? Finally, your answer will be equal to what? 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1, it is negative 1. So meaning that the value of y is what? Negative 1. That is the value y, negative 1, like this. So when you are taught to find the equation of the tangent, this is what you need to do. You need to find the gradient and a coordinate. You need to have these two. We have a coordinate there and the gradient. After you find these two, then you write the general equation for all straight lines. So you can just write this one. Y minus y1 is equal to gradient, open bracket, x minus x1. So a coordinate which is here, this is x1, the other one is y1. You are not supposed to exchange these. X should be like this. A coordinate is like this, x comma y. So x should come first, then followed by y. So don't say negative 1, 1 there, that I can write them anyhow. No, this is a procedure that we follow. So now, the y that you're able to see and the x there, these are constants. They are going to remain like this. So you say y minus, what is your y1? y1, negative 1. Since there is a negative here, I can't say negative, negative 1 like this. It won't make sense. Negative times negative, that is a positive. So I'll just say plus 1, which is equal to, so plus 1 equal to, what is the gradient? Gradient is 4. I do this. What is x1? x1, it is 1. I do this. This is the same as y plus 1 is equal to 4 times x, that is 4x, minus 4 times 1, that is 4. This one will go to the other side of the equation. So when it goes to the other side of the equation, it becomes y is equal to 4x minus 4. This is positive. When it comes inside, it becomes negative. Where you conclude and say now that therefore y is equal to 4x minus negative 4 minus 1, negative 5. So y is equal to 4x minus 1 is the tangent line or the equation of the tangent. It is just one and the same thing. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the what? Tangent. This is what you need to do. This is the procedure. So this is a simple work. This is what you needed to do. So those of you that could like to start lessons with me, I do offer online lessons in mathematics. This week was just the video of the exercise that I gave to the people that I mentor online. So you can contact me on this number, WhatsApp me. I'll be able to respond to you and add you to the group once you make the payments. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.